Hey travel lovers, welcome back to A Wanderlust for Life, and today we are celebrating King's Day. This is a huge holiday here in the Netherlands, and we are going to celebrate by making 3 different orange cocktails because orange is the color of the day. So let's get shaken. Happy King's Day, everybody, especially if you're watching this on King's Day. If not, totally cool because this is about orange cocktails and they are good any time of year. So just a little bit about King's Day in case that's totally confusing to you. The King's Day is actually a celebration of the King's birthday here in the Netherlands, and we celebrate with wearing orange because he's from the House of Orange, and red, white, and blue because it's the color of the flag, and I'm wearing my gorgeous Delft blue apron. So our first cocktail is gonna be a little quirky, and we'll also make some that are super easy with some things that you'll probably already have in your home bar. So the first one is going to be April in Paris because Paris. Is there anywhere better to be? No. Well, maybe Amsterdam. Maybe Amsterdam. Anyway, thought it was a fun one to make. So first of all, we are going to use a shaker for this one and add some ice. All right, so we are gonna use gin. This is a gin-based cocktail, and we're going to use 50 milliliters of gin. We're using our favorite B2C gin here. This is local for us. So 50 milliliters. I use this OXO measuring cup, just my favorite. I don't use shot glasses, mainly because this is more precise. Okay, that's our gin, and then we are going to use elderflower. So I'm using cordial. You can also use a liqueur, and this is very sweet, very sweet. So 25 milliliters of the elderflower. All right. Gonna use a squeeze of lemon. Yes, in an orange cocktail. There we go. And this is the quirky part. We're going to use bitter orange marmalade. So this we actually got when we were in Sicily. That was our last bit of travel before we came home. So it seemed perfectly fitting. This is a heaping bar spoon. Get that in there. And a bar spoon is something that will probably come with your shaker set if you order like an entire set. Okay, so we have our gin, we have our lemon, we have our elderflower, and the marmalade. And now we are going to shake. Might help to use the actual cup and not the strainer. Okay, let's get shaken. Okay, the moment of truth. Will it come off? Yes! I think. There we go. Okay, and now we strain this out. Beautiful. And then you just top it with some soda water. This is so gorgeous. Oh, there's even little bits of marmalade in there. Let's see how it is. Whoa, that is so cool. Like, you can definitely tell it's a gin cocktail because it tastes like gin, but everything makes it so balanced. If there's anything I love about a cocktail, it's that it's balanced. Awesome. All right, we're gonna clean up real quick and go to cocktail number 2. All right, so our second one is going to be an orange smash, and this is pretty fun as well. We're gonna start with a regular glass, because that's what I have. I'm gonna put some ice into it. You don't need too much. And then we're gonna use fresh squeezed orange juice from 1 orange. This should be about 2 ounces or 4 tablespoons. Perfect. And we're gonna use vodka for this one, and it'll be 2 ounces of vodka. I'm using Dutch tulip vodka here because local, support local. 1 ounce of Grand Marnier. Not local, but that's okay. All right. There we go. And then we are going to add 7-Up. So this is going to be 3 to 4 ounces of 7-Up. And you can also use Sprite, whatever you have. Okay, we're just gonna give it a quick stir. This one's easy peasy. And if you want to, you can give it a little garnish with some mint. Helps if you have a fresh mint plant, and I like to bruise it up a little bit. Okay. There we go. Ooh, that smells fun. That's really nice. The soda just adds that little extra zing to it. Super cool and super easy. And you might already have some of this stuff at home, right? Awesome. So we are going to move on to the next one. Cheers! And our next drink is going to be an orange blossom. This is pretty simple because it only has 3 ingredients and they're all equal parts. So first we put in the ice. We have a little glass here. So it's not gonna be a huge cocktail. By the way, if you do love cocktails, check out our other cocktail videos. I'll leave the link up here because having cocktails is just so much fun, isn't it? All right, moving on to what we're doing now. This is gonna be 25 milliliters of orange juice, and I'm actually gonna put it in the measuring cup before pouring it in. Like I said, this is just equal parts, so pretty simple. 25 milliliters of gin. Pick your favorite gin. This is ours. Easy peasy. And 25 milliliters of sweet vermouth. Now, this is another local drink here in Amsterdam, and 25 milliliters of this. So now you just give it a quick stir. Mix in all those flavors. And cheers. Super smooth, very complex with the orange juice and the gin and the vermouth. So delicious. Now, remember, with your vermouth and with your gin and everything, it might taste a little bit different, but it's gonna be super fun. Definitely one to try at home. And if you wanna garnish it, just peel off a little bit of orange peel, get a little twist, get those oils going, rub it around the rim, and you can just plop it in, or cut it and leave it in on the corner. However you want to be fancy is up to you. That was so much fun. As always, all these cocktail videos have been so awesome. Thank you for joining us. Subscribe if you haven't already. Like if you enjoyed the video. Let us know down below which of these cocktails you would like to try most, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.